Hello everyone. In today's topic, we are going to talk about data presentation. But before we are going to do that, let us have some words that we learned in the past. So the first word starts with the letter D, and it's a type of statistics that describe the data. Correct. It is descriptive. The second one is a type of statistics in which it makes predictions. Correct. Inferential. And the third one is a technique in collecting data wherein we use printed materials. Correct. Questionnaire. Next. The interviewer should prepare questions. Correct. Interview. And another method of gathering data wherein you need to use your senses. Correct. Observation. And the last one, it is a study wherein it uses statistics. Correct. Research. Now, what is data presentation? Data presentation means putting up the data in an attractive and useful manner so that it can be easily interpreted. And statistics is a branch of science that deals with the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data. As you can remember, we already finished collection of data. So today, we are going to organize data. So what is data? It is a collection of information in the form of numerical or categorical figures. So if you can remember, numerical are numbers, categorical are description. What is raw data? When data is collected and presented randomly. Randomly meaning it is not organized or it is not in order. So, height of students in grade 7 are as follows. So, it doesn't matter the order is. So, it is a raw data. It is presented randomly. Now, let's move on to arranging data. So, suppose we have this raw data and we are going to arrange it in ascending order. So, ascending order is arranging the data from least to greatest or from lowest to highest. Now, let us have another example. A cricketer scores the following runs in 10 matches. So, we have this data. It is a raw data because the order of the data is really not in sequence. So let us answer the following questions. What is his highest score? So correct, it is 115. And what is his least score? Correct, it is 35. And then we have a new word here today. So what is the range? So range is equal to the maximum value minus the minimum value. So we are going to have 115 minus 35, which is equal to 80. So the range equals 80. Now let's move on to representation of data. For easy understanding and meaningful comparison, the raw data will be represented in tabular, pictorial, graphical, linear, and many other forms. So let us have pictogram. So in the pictogram, we have the key. So it says here 1 picture equals 10 fruits. So this pictogram composed of 2 columns. So the name of the fruit and the number of fruits. So in here, we are going to convert it to a table. So in our table, the same, we have 2 columns. So columns for the name of the fruit and then number of fruits. So from here, we are going to use the key, which is 1 picture equals 10 fruits. Since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a half, so 6 times 10, and then half of 10, we have 65. Under orange, we have 45. Under pineapple, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then a half. So we have 75. Under apple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 80. And mango, we have 40. And then we are going to add this column. So it is equal to 305. So n equals 305. So let us have other example in organization of data. So we have marks of students in a test are as follows. So in order for us to organize this one, first we need to have a table with 3 columns, marks, the given, the tally, and then the frequency. So in statistics, the small letter f represents the frequency. So under marks, we are going to start with the least score. So we have 4, then 5, then 6, and the highest score is 7. And then we are going to tally. When our first column is composed of single digit or a single number, we are going to use this technique. So we are going to tick everything. So tick every number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. And then under 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we also have 4, 5. And then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have under 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10. So that is how we tally. And then under frequency, we are going to write the numbers. So 4, 4, 7, then 10. Then we are going to add. So n equals 25. So the frequency is the number of times a data value occurs, while n is the total frequency. So let us have this last example. So marks of 15 students in an exam are as follows. So first, we are going to have the table, and this time we have the class interval. So actually, when we have the class interval, it is under group data, which you will learn in grade 8 statistics. So from here, using these class intervals, we are going to tally. So to tally this one, we shall do it one at a time. So 75 will fall under 70 to 79, 76, still 70 to 79. Then let's continue. 48 will be 40 to 49. 59 will be 50 to 59. 74 will be at 70 to 79. 68 will be at 60 to 69. 72 will be at 70 to 79. 54 will be at 50 to 59. 49 will be at 40 to 49. And 46 will be at 40 to 49. And 78 under 70 to 79. 76 the same, 70 to 79. 43 will be at 40 to 49, and then 52 will be at 50 to 59. Then the last one, 79, will fall under 70 to 79. Then we are going to have the last column. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1, I should say, and 7. And when we are going to add, let us check. So it should be 15. So 4 times 3 is 7. Then we have 1 is 8 plus 7 is 15. So n equals 15. That is how you check whether you are doing the proper tallying. Okay? Okay, so that's all for today, class. Goodbye. See you again next time.